In addition to the good governance stuff that you would expect from a board, like looking at the quarterly financial report, for example, the majority of today's meeting was spent looking at the beta phase of the landscape review. This has been a huge piece of work with over 7,000 data points collected, 40 organisations have been involved, and those public sector organisations have an annual budget of around 12 billion. And what the landscape review has looked to do is find those common problem areas that then will help us narrow those down to potential areas for focus. And what we've landed on today from 11 problem areas is 4 immediate opportunities for us to really get stuck in and help public services deliver more effectively. Those are in the areas of digital procurement, online forms, measuring and tracking the use of digital, and case management. And what the conversation at board today was very much around the what next. So how do we take this forward, and also looking at the potential return to the wider public sector. As a small organisation, CDPS is very much a startup. It has a turnover of around 5 million a year, but the potential benefit back to public services in Wales is quite huge, and so we were very pleased as a board to approve those 4 investment cases today, and we'll look forward to further progress in the future meetings. We also briefly touched upon risk, and we've decided that we need a further strategy day to look at the risks facing not only the organisation but public services across Wales and what that means collectively. So there's lots of work being done, but today, as always, was an honest, frank and challenging board meeting that ultimately is going to help us deliver better public services for Wales. Thank you.